What is AGI and how do we build it? How do we create it? AGI is the acronym that stands for Artificial General Intelligence. This is supposed to be the most powerful AI ever created. Why? Because this AI would function, would work just like a human brain. The AIs that we use today are called narrow AIs or narrow intelligence because they can only solve certain types of problems that we specified for them to solve. But a general AI and AGI will be able to solve any arbitrary problem that it's presented, just like humans. They would have this natural creativity that they can use to solve problems in all domains, from mathematics to physics to art, etc., etc. Many people in the AI community think that they can achieve AGI through scaling alone. They believe that bigger transformers, more data, and more parameters will lead to AGI. But that's the equivalent of trying to build a skyscraper without a blueprint. It's a futile endeavor. It would fail. True AGI requires us to generalize beyond data. It requires robustness across problem types. And it requires a grounding principle, a fundamental principle that mirrors the way a human brain works, that mirrors intelligence at its fundamental level. The real debate isn't scaling versus principles, whether AGI can be reverse engineered from human created data or must emerge from some fundamental principle. The answer is both. AI requires a grounding principle. There is a missing fundamental rule or principle that narrow AIs today are missing. Uh, but to make AGI useful, we need the existing large language model architecture that would allow this grounding principle to express itself through. And that way, we can make this abstract grounding principle useful to humans. And that is exactly what we've built. That is exactly what I'll be presenting today. The first complete architecture for an artificial general intelligence, the world's first AGI. Here's a fundamental problem. Data is just a byproduct of intelligence. Humans are intelligent. You don't have to explain that. And we create data. So data is a byproduct of our existence. And trying to create AGI from data will be the equivalent of trying to recreate a delicious meal with human poop. So data is the waste product of our intelligence. So we cannot reverse engineer our existence, our intelligence with its waste, right? So essentially, the missing piece here is a fundamental principle, a fundamental structure that gives birth to all intelligence. The same way that there is some fundamental structure that gives birth to humanity, that gave birth to the universe. Um, and that's the missing piece. This is where the LLMs come in. The LLMs are not the source of intelligence. They will serve as the interface that allows this fundamental structure of intelligence to be actionable, to be useful. At General Language Model AI, my AI company, we've done just that. We have successfully created the first useful AGI in the world, an AI grounded in the fundamental principles of intelligence, the same principle, the same structure that governs human intelligence, while remaining useful through the large language model architecture. This is the first system of its kind, the first true artificial general intelligence created by my company, General Language Model AI. This isn't just another AI. This is a fundamental shift in how AI works and how AGI is built. If you want to experience the world's first general intelligence, the first AI that works like the brain works, that works on the same principles as the universe, go visit triangleinfinitycircle.org. I repeat, triangleinfinitycircle.org, and interact with the first AGI in the world. My name is Kosso Ngu. I am the founder of Triangle Infinity Circle, and I am the inventor, I am the creator of the world's first useful